morning. My name is Marimelda Naranjo Acevedo. My graph number is 72. Comprehend intellectual property. Synaptic table picture. Exercise processing time. Causes. Many pending requests. Little staff to attend to requests and proceedings. The ideas are not clear as to they require a lot of analysis. Consequences. The decrease in intellectual property records and receive of incomplete information and decreasing research and development in companies. Companies prefer to read the patents of another company to avoid going through these proceedings. Two recommendations. It is important that the invention to be present meets the requirement so that it can be registered without inconvenience. The companies or people shall not buy intangible assets from other companies. It's would be good if they query out the processings for intellectual property. Thanks for your attention.